Topiary is a form of landscape art that involves the shaping and pruning of living plants to create intricate and artistic designs. This ancient horticultural practice has been used for centuries to add structure, beauty, and a touch of whimsy to gardens and landscapes. The word topiary is derived from the Latin word topiarius, meaning a gardener or creator of ornamental landscapes. Construction methods. 1. Frame construction. Metal frames. Metal frames are often used as a skeleton for topiary designs. These frames can be pre-made or custom designed to achieve the desired shape. Wire mesh. Another method involves the use of wire mesh frames, which are then filled with a growing medium, such as sphagnum moss. Plants are then trained to grow on the frame, covering it over time. 2. Free-form pruning. Hand pruning. Skilled gardeners use hand tools such as shears to carefully prune and shape the plants. This method requires a high level of expertise to create intricate and detailed designs. 3. Box pruning. Box pruning is a classic method where plants like boxwood are pruned into geometric shapes. Regular trimming helps maintain the shape and encourages dense foliage. 4. Espalier. Espalier is a technique where trees or shrubs are trained to grow flat against a support like a wall or trellis. The branches are carefully pruned to create patterns or shapes. Plants used in topiary. Boxwood, known for its dense foliage and ability to withstand frequent pruning. Yews are often used for larger topiary projects due to their ability to grow densely and respond well to shaping. Privet. Privet is commonly used for creating hedges and geometric designs. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that can be shaped into smaller topiary forms. Gardens worldwide with extensive topiary. 1. Levens Hall Gardens, United Kingdom. Levens Hall is home to the world's oldest topiary garden, dating back to the late 17th century. 2. Versailles Gardens, France. The Palace of Versailles features impressive geometric topiary designs in its extensive gardens. 3. Boboli Gardens, Italy. Located behind the Pitti Palace in Florence, these gardens showcase classical Italian Renaissance topiary designs. 4. Villandry Gardens, France. Known for its Renaissance-style gardens, Villandry features intricate knot gardens and geometric patterns. 5. Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden, South Africa. Kirstenbosch displays a variety of indigenous South African plants shaped into artistic topiary designs. 6. Mirabell Palace Gardens, Austria. Mirabell Gardens in Salzburg are famous for their geometrically shaped hedges and sculptures. Topiary continues to be a popular element in garden design, blending art and horticulture to create visually stunning landscapes around the world. Types of topiary. Flower. Topiary. Flower topiary involves the use of flowering plants to create artistic and decorative designs. In this type of topiary, the emphasis is on incorporating vibrant blooms into the sculpted forms, adding color and texture to the overall design. Flowers with a compact growth habit and the ability to withstand regular pruning are often chosen for flower topiary. Common choices include annuals like marigolds, petunias, and begonias, as well as perennials such as lavender or roses. Flower topiaries can range from simple geometric shapes adorned with colorful blooms to more elaborate and intricate designs, providing a dynamic and ever-changing display throughout the growing season. Horticulture topiary. Horticulture topiary is a broader term that encompasses the manipulation and shaping of various plants, not limited to flowering species. It includes the art of sculpting foliage, branches, and sometimes even fruit-bearing plants into desired forms. This type of topiary often focuses on the overall structure and greenery of the plants rather than the specific presence of flowers. Common plants used in horticulture topiary include evergreen species like boxwood, yew, and holly, as well as deciduous plants like beech or hornbeam. The goal is to create visually appealing and often intricate designs that showcase the skillful pruning and training of the plants. Both flower topiary and horticulture topiary require careful planning, regular maintenance, and artistic vision to achieve the desired aesthetic effect. Gardeners and horticulturists use a combination of pruning techniques, supportive structures, and sometimes specialized growing mediums to craft these living sculptures in gardens, parks, and landscapes.